Hey folks, it's John, the Salt and Pepper Prepper, back with another part of making deer summer sausage. Here's our meat that we've ground up, deer, pork, and beef, all mixed well. I've combined our dry ingredients. When you make this summer sausage, you want to combine all your dry ingredients in a container and mix them well, because you don't want clumps in it. What we got here is, this is no casing summer sausage. It's going to be made in the oven, bakes at 200 degrees for 8 hours. You're going to need 5 pounds of meat, a half cup of cold water, 2 cups of cheese, 1 diced jalapeno, a tablespoon of whole peppercorns. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of mustard, whole mustard, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. And we're going to mix all this together. And we have in this cup, a half cup of cold water, we have 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. So let's mix our dry ingredients in there first and spread them around. I've already mixed them together. And summer sausage takes 1 tablespoon of Morton's Tender Quick to 1 pound of meat. We're going to mix that down in there. Get that started in. And then we'll mix in our cheese and our jalapenos. We're going to combine all this together. And then we're going to put in our liquid smoke and our cold water. And there's that. Now what we're going to do is combine this. And then mix it very well. But you get the point. It's pretty simple. I'm going to mix this a lot better. But for time's sake, we're going to shut the video off here. And then I will bake these, and tomorrow I will put up a video of the finished product. I hope you like this. God bless you, and God bless America.